Hello, my name is Alex Kalapchik, and today I want to talk about the lesson plan from my unit. This unit was about holidays. It's a holiday unit, and it's the first lesson. It's called This is Christmas, okay? And this is a story. So we're gonna begin the lesson. Actually, I'm sorry. Before I talk about the lesson itself, this class is it's a fourth grade of 6 one-to-one special education class students, and four of the students are nonverbal. So we're gonna have to do a lot of modifications in order to successfully teach this lesson. So I have a story right in front of me, and we're gonna begin this lesson by reading the story out loud to our students. Okay. After we're done reading the story, what we want to do is we want to make sure that the students are familiar with the key terms and vocabulary. Okay. In order to do this, because six, like I mentioned, 4 or 5 I think it's nonverbal, we're gonna have to use a communication device, which I have right here. It's a communication device, and there's a special soundboard that I've printed out just for this story. Okay. So by using the soundboard, we can pre-record all the items on this board, and by pressing an item here, it will sound out the word. So some of the words, just to give you an example, some of the words that I have on the soundboard is Christian, Christmas, holiday, December 25th, food, lights, family, colorful, sing, turkey, gift, Santa Claus, children, year, Christmas tree. Basically all the key terms associated with Christmas. So what we can do is, after reading the story, we can go around the room and we can go to any student. Okay, and these things will have the icons to find me Christmas. We'll find Christmas. They will press it and it will say Christmas. And find New Year. Right here, New Year. We'll press New Year. It will say New Year. Okay, so this is very important. So to go on with this lesson, I will also print it out. It's a special booklet that also has key terms associated with this lesson. And each page, just to show you some pages. Again, this is Christmas. See the lights, Christmas tree. See the food. So I would have a student sitting next to me, or I can go around to pretty much to all the students, and we can start. I'm sorry. So I'm sorry. Just like I mentioned, this thing has Velcro, right? I also have this thing right here. This individually printed things that match all the items in the booklet that also have Velcro, so students can match. So, for example, I would go to the student. Okay. This is Christmas. Pick one. And they would pick this thing, and with the Velcro, they can put it right in here, and there's about 7-8 pages here. So what we can do is we can have a student with this booklet, and with those separate things hanging right over here, and we can match one by one. Okay. And last, to complete this lesson, we can do some cutting and pasting. So it would be something like this. Students can cut out the individual squares, and I have another handout that is very useful for this. Give me 1 second, I can't seem to find it. Here. So it would be this. We can actually use this for assessment, just to see how well the students grasp the lesson. So, for example, there's a box here and it says, "Is a Christian holiday?" So the students would cut out the squares, and they would match the appropriate items, and they would put the appropriate items in an appropriate box. And there's about 1, 2, 3, 4 to 5 questions. So we can use this for assessment. And that's about it. So this is my lesson plan for the holidays unit. Thank you.